Hey everyone, check out the Olafus 2-pack work light with 2000 lumens and 360-degree rotation for versatile lighting. These foldable lights are portable and perfect for trucks, cars, repairs, camping, and blackouts with a sturdy stand for hands-free use. Powered by a large 5000 mAh battery, they provide 4 to 8 hours of bright light and recharge quickly via USB-C charging port in about 5 hours. The compact design makes them easy to carry for use in your garage, shed, motorhome, or emergency kit. Built with durable materials, they withstand tough outdoor and industrial conditions for reliable performance. This makes them an ideal gift for dads, grandpas, or anyone needing dependable emergency lighting. Stay prepared and light up any space effortlessly with these powerful rechargeable work lights. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.